Okay, today I'm in the garden because we're doing some spray painting. We are going to recycle this old bicycle for a garden accessory just using spray paint. So keep watching on how we do this. I'm Juliet Migwi, and on this channel I normally share with you DIY home decor tips, life hacks, and my life in Dubai. And today I'm sharing with you this hack of recycling this very old bike using just spray paint to use it as a garden accessory. If you have something like that at home, please don't forget, you don't have to throw away. Everything old is gold. And I'll show you the before and after photos at the end. And also remember to stay till the end, because I'll also show you how else we've used another child's toy in the garden to just add a little, oomph to our garden. One other thing, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please press the notification bell. May I give you a minute or a second to do just that, so that you don't miss out on my videos as I upload them. It also helps me to get to a number that I'm able to communicate to you more often when you're part of my community. It's 40 degrees outside. The last time I did a video like this, it was like now when we did the garden spray painting for the garden accessories. Remember the pots and the tips on how to spray paint? Check the card above to see that. And so we'll just go ahead and do this spray painting. We have finished our spray painting, and I'm just about to show you how this bike looks in its garden spot. Before I do, please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my video uploads. If you have comments about this video or anything else, please let me know in the section below, or DM me at Juliet Migwi Inspires on Instagram. This is how it has turned out. This is how the garden was before. It has color, but with the summer, the flowers may not last as long because it's quite hot here. And this is how having the bike here makes a big difference. I'll be able to tell someone, you know, the house that has a bike outside, that's my garden, that's my house. Karibu. We added some lights, some fairy lights on it for the night, so that at night it doesn't go to waste. And here is the other accessory. I told you this was a children's cart that had chips, so instead of throwing out, we decided to use it as a flower pot. So if you have something like that, don't lose out, don't throw away everything. You can upcycle or recycle what you have. Old is gold. So God bless you. Thank you for watching till the end. Baraka Tele. See you next time.